Hello! Today we're going to show you how to install our BMW E39 instrument cluster tab repair kit onto your cluster. All you're going to need is our tab repair kit and some 2-component epoxy glue. The first step is to dry fit our clips onto your cluster and see if they fit. If they do not, use clippers to remove the excess plastic as shown on the video. After you take off the extra plastic, check if it fits again, and if it does, it's time to glue them on. Here's a tip. Before gluing them on, sand down the surface to make the tabs stick better. Then take your 2-component epoxy glue and mix it very well. About 90 seconds or so should be enough. After you've mixed it, apply the glue either on the cluster or on the tabs and fit the tabs onto your cluster. Repeat the process on the remaining 2 if all 3 original tabs broke off, and once you do, leave the glue to set. Once the glue is dried, install your cluster back into your car. We hope you found this video helpful. Leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next. Drive safely and see you in the next one!